Hi guys, welcome back to Angeli's Math Desk. In today's video, we will be continuing with linear equations in one variable. In today's video, we will be working through some applications of linear equations in one variable. So let's look at the first question. The first question says, what should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 over 3 to get 3 over 7? First of all, what is the twice of minus 7 over 3? It is 2 times minus 7 over 3, which is minus 14 over 3, correct? Now, let us suppose that x is added to get 3 over 7. In that case, our equation will be x plus minus 14 over 3 equals 3 over 7. Now we're just going to solve this. It'll turn out to be 3x minus 14 over 3 equals 3 over 7, which implies 3x minus 14 equals 9 over 7, which implies that 3x is 9 over 7 plus 14, which is 9 plus 14 times 7 over 7, which turns out to be 107 over 7, which implies x is 1 over 7 over 7 times 3, which is 107 over 21. Therefore, value of x is 107 over 21. Therefore, 107 over 21 must be added to twice the rational number minus 7 over 3 to get 3 over 7. Now let's look at the second question. The second question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeter and its width is 3 over 4 centimeters. Find its length. So in this case, we're given the perimeter to be 13 centimeters and the width to be 3 over 4 centimeters, which is 8 plus 3 over 4, which is 11 over 4 centimeters. So now we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus width, right? Which we're given 13 centimeters. So now, let us assume length to be x centimeters. Therefore, according to the question, our equation will look something like this. Perimeter equals 2 times length, which is x, plus width, which is 11 over 4 centimeters, equals 13 centimeter, right? And now we'll solve this. So it's 2x plus 11 over 2 equals 13, which turns out to 2x equals 13 minus 11 over 2, which is 26 minus 11 over 2, which is 15 over 2. Therefore, we see that 2 times length, 2 times x, equals 15 over 2, which implies x, or the length, equals 15 over 4 centimeters. Therefore, the length of the rectangle is 15 over 4 centimeters. Now moving on to the third question. The present age of Amy's mother is 3 times the present age of Amy. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. Find their present ages. Now, let's say that Amy's age equals x years, which implies Amy's mother's age will be 3 times x years, because they have told us that it's 3 times the present age of Amy. And now they're saying after 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. So 5 years later, what will be Amy's age? Amy's age will be x plus 5 years. And similarly, Amy's mother's age will be 3x plus 5 years. Therefore, our equation, according to the question, will turn out to be x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equals 66. Because 5 years later, their ages will add to 66 years. So now let's solve this equation. Turns out to be 4x plus 10 equals 66, which implies 4x equals 66 minus 10, which is 56. Therefore, x is 56 over 4, which will be 14. Therefore, x is 14. Therefore, now let's substitute the value of x. So therefore, Amy's age equals x is 14 years, and Amy's mother's age equals 3x, which is 3 times 14, which is equal to 42 years. Okay, so moving on to the next question, we have Bob has 3 times as many $2 coins as he has $5 bills. If he has all a sum of $77, how many bills of each denomination does he have? So now, in this case, let's start with Bob has 3 times as many $2 coins as he has $5 bills. So let's say that number of $5 bills equals x, which implies that number of $2 coins will be 3 times, which is 3x. So now, according to the question, we have, if he has all a sum of $77, right? But now here we only discussed that, let's say the number of $5 bills is X and number of $2 coins is 3X. But now let's look at from $5 bills, how much money will Bob have? Bob will have 5 times X, which equals 5X. And similarly, from $2 coins, what will Bob have? Bob will have 2 times 3X, which is 6X. And now they say if he has all the sum of $77, which implies our equation would look something like this. 5X plus 6X equals 77, which implies 11X equals 77, which implies that X equals 7. So therefore, now when we substitute the value of X back in to the question, we get that the number of $5 bills, which is X, is 7. He has 7 $5 bills, and number of $2 coins is 3X, which is 3 times 7, which is 21 coins. Therefore, Bob has 7 $5 bills and 21 $2 coins. Now, our next question says the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. Now, since these are consecutive multiples of 11, let's say that the first multiple equals X, which implies the second multiple will be X plus 11, and the third multiple will be X plus 11, which is X plus 22, since these are consecutive, right? And now according to the question, we have sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363, which implies X plus 11 plus X plus 22 is 363, which implies 3X plus 33 equals 363, which implies 3X equals 363 minus 33, which is 330, which implies 3X equals 330. Therefore, X equals 110. Therefore, the first multiple, which is X, is 110. The second multiple is X plus 11, which is 110 plus 11, which is 121. And the third multiple is X plus 22, which is 110 plus 22, which is equal to 132. Therefore, the 3 consecutive multiples of 11 that add up to 363 are 110, 121, and 132. Now, the next question we have is perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Length is 2 meters more than twice the breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So, we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth, right? Now, let's see, the breadth is x meters. Therefore, the length will be 2 meters more than twice the breadth, which is 2x plus 2 meters. Therefore, according to the question, our equation will look something like this. 2 times length, which is 2x plus 2, plus breadth, which is x, equals 154 meters. So now we will solve this. 2 times 2x plus 2 plus x equals 154, which means 2 times 3x plus 2 is 154, which means 6x plus 4 equals 154. 6x is 150, and x is 150 over 6, which is 25. Therefore, our x is 25 meters, which implies, putting the value of x back into the equation, the breadth of the rectangular pool is x, which is 25 meters, and the length of the rectangular pool is 2x plus 2 meters, which is 52 meters. Now, our next question says, sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. In this case, let's say that the first number is x. In that case, by the question we have, our second number will be x plus 15, right? And now, according to the question, we have sum of two numbers is 95, which is x plus 15 is 95, which means 2x plus 15 is 95. So 2x is 95 minus 15, which is 80. Therefore, x is 80 over 2, which is 40. Therefore, our first number is x, which is 40, and the second number is x plus 15, which is 40 plus 15, 55. So the two numbers are 40 and 55. Now our next question says, sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So in this case, let's say that the first multiple is x, which implies the second multiple, since they're multiples of 8, will be x plus 8. And similarly, our third multiple will be x plus 8, which is x plus 16. And now they say the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Therefore, according to the question, we have x plus 8 plus x plus 16 equals 888, which means 3x plus 8 plus 16 is 888, which says 3x plus 24 is 888. 3x is 888 minus 24, which is 864. And x equals 864 divided by 3, which is 288. So the value of x is 288. Now plugging these values back, we get the first multiple equals x equals 288. Second multiple to be x plus 8, which is 288 plus 8, which is 296. And our third multiple is x plus 16, which is 288 plus 16, which is 304. Therefore, the three consecutive multiples of 8 that sum to 888 are 288, 296, and 304. Now, moving on to our next question. It says, ages of Rhea and Tina are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years later, some of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Now, according to the ratio that has been provided to us, we can say that Rhea's age is 5x and Tina's age is 7x. Now, they're saying 4 years later, some of their ages will be 56 years. So 4 years later, Rhea's age will be 4 plus 5x, or 5x plus 4. And Tina's age will be 4 plus 7x, or 7x plus 4. Therefore, according to the question, the sum of their ages will be 56 years in the 4 years. We have 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equals 56. And now we'll solve this. 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is 56, which implies 12x plus 8 is 56. So 12x is 56 minus 8, which is 48, which implies x is 48 over 12, which is 4. Therefore, the value of x we have is 4. And now we'll plug the value of x into their ages that we assumed. So Rhea's age will be 5x, which Rhea's present age will be 5x, which will be 5 times 4, which is 20 years. And Tina's age will be 7x, which is 7 times 4, 28 years. Therefore, Rhea will be 20 and Tina will be 28. Now moving on to the next question, we have Jennifer's father is 26 years younger than Jennifer's grandfather and 29 years older than Jennifer. Sum of all three of their ages is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? We're talking about present age here. So let us assume that Jennifer's father's age is X years, which means Jennifer's grandfather's age, so Jennifer's grandfather's age will be X plus 26 years, since Jennifer's father is 26 years younger than Jennifer's grandfather. And what will be Jennifer's age? Jennifer's age will be X minus 29 years. Why? Because Jennifer's father is 29 years older than Jennifer, right? Therefore, according to the question, our equation will look something like this. Sum of all three of their ages is 135 years, so x plus 26 plus x minus 29 is 135, which means 3x minus 3 equals 135, which means 3x is 138, which implies x is 138 over 3, which is 46. Therefore, the value of x is 46. Now, plugging the value of x back, we get Jennifer's father's age is x, which is 46 years. Jennifer's grandfather's age is x plus 26, which is 46 plus 26, which is 72 years. And Jennifer's age is x minus 29, which is 46 minus 29, which is 17 years. Therefore, Jennifer's father is 46, her grandfather is 72, and Jennifer herself is 17 years old. Now, our next question says, Jenny is a cashier in the bank. She has currency bills of denominations 100, 50, and 10, respectively. Ratio of these bills is 2:3:5. Total cash with Jenny is $400,000. How many bills of each denomination does she have? So let us say that the number of $100 bills from the ratio is 2x. The number of $50 bills from the ratio again is 3x, and the number of $10 bills from the ratio is 5x. Therefore, the amount we have from $100 bills is 100 times 2x, which is 200x. Amount from $50 bills is 50 times 3x, which is 150x. And the amount from $10 bills is 10 times 5x, which is 50x. Therefore, according to the question, our equation is 200x plus 150x plus 50x is $400,000, since the total cash with Jenny is $400,000. So now we just have to solve this equation, which is 400x equals 400,000 which implies the value of x we get is 1,000. Therefore, the number of $100 bills that Jenny has is 2x, which is 2,000 bills. Number of $50 bills that Jenny has is 3x, which is 3,000 bills of $50. And number of $10 bills Jenny has is 5x, which is 5,000 bills of $10. Therefore, Jenny has 2,000 $100 bills, 3,000 $50 bills, and 5,000 $10 bills. Now we're on to the last question of this video, which is organizers of an essay competition decide that the winner in the competition gets a prize of $100 and a participant who doesn't win gets a prize of $25. Total prize money distributed is $3,000. Find the number of winners if the number of participants is 63. So let us assume that number of winners is X. Therefore, the number of people who didn't win will be 63 minus X, as there are a total of 63 participants. So now, since we had X number of winners and 63 minus X number of people who didn't win, the amount of money distributed to winners is 100 times X, since prize money is of $100, and the amount to non-winners is 25 times 63 minus X, since there are 63 minus X non-winners, right? Now, therefore, according to the question, we have 100X plus 25 times 63 minus X equals 3,000, since the total prize money distributed was $3,000. So we have 100X plus 1575 minus 25X equals $3,000. Therefore, 75X is 3,000 minus 1575, 1425. Therefore, X is 1425 over 75, which turns out to be 5 and 19. Therefore, the value of X is 19. Therefore, number of winners is X is 19. So this brings us to the end of our video. If you guys do like my video, please do not forget to like and share this video. Also leave a comment down below and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video ever again. Also, if you do have any questions with regards to this topic or any other math topic, please do leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to you on those as well. Bye for now.